Welcome students, welcome back in our e-learning classes of Bardhan Model School. Student of class 9, today I will prove a theorem that is the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it means by that arc at any point of the circle. Okay, so according to statement, first I want to draw the figure. So it's a circle. Okay, it's a circle, and just consider an arc, okay, that is PQ. Its center is O, PQ. Okay, so the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center. So this arc PQ will that will make an angle at the center, that is POQ. Okay, is double of the angle. First of all, angle, first I draw the angle, then I will make you understand that which is double of what. Subtended by it means that arc. Subtended by it means that arc. Okay, at any point of the circle, it means PQ. PQ is the one arc, remaining arc. At any point of remaining arc, that angle, that central angle will be the double of that angle. So let I am taking here a point A, and PQ arc subtended an angle at point A. Okay. Okay. So that point A, we have to prove that angle POQ equal to double of angle PAQ, that have to prove. So POQ means that angle subtended by the arc PQ at the center. PAQ means the angle subtended by the arc PQ at any point on circumference, that is PAQ. So what have given? So given that a circle having center O and an arc PQ, make an angle at center, that is PAQ, and an angle subtended at the center at the circumference point, that is A, PAQ, and we have to prove that POQ equal to what to be proved? POQ to PAQ. To prove this, we need a construction. What is the construction? Just join AO and extend up to M. Okay, extend up to M. Listen, I am explaining what is given, what to be proved, and what is the what construction is needed here. First, it is given by an arc of a circle which make an angle at the center and make an angle at the circumference. That central angle will be double of that circumference angle. Okay, students, previously I have solved this using that theorem. I have solved many questions, but I have not proved it. That's why today's video I will prove that statement. Okay, so it is given that circle O having center O, PQR make an angle PAQ, and what to be proved? This one is what is the construction? Join AO and extend up to M. Join AO and extend up to M. That is the construction. Now proof portion. Okay. Now students, that figure is given by the statement. Now just think about the triangle. In triangle AOP, it has three sides. Now clearly you can say, sir, OA, as O is the center, A is point on the circumference, P is the point on the circumference. So you can say, sir, OA and OP are the radius of the circle. So OA equal to OP. Why OA equal to OP? Because they are radius of the circle. Okay, so that is the radius. Now in triangle AOP, two sides are equal. It means it's an isosceles triangle, and we know that isosceles triangle means the angles of the opposite sides are also be equal. Therefore, angle OAP equal to angle OPA. Okay, OPA. Why they are equal? Why they are equal? Because they are equal because it's an isosceles triangle. As it is isosceles triangle, so these two sides are equal. As sides are equal, these are the opposite angle of equal side. Opposite angles of equal side. So what will be the reason? Opposite angles of equal. Okay, I am rubbing that portion. Opposite angles of equal sides. Okay, so we get the proof. Next, now students, one thing we have learned that if I extend any side, third side, that is called exterior angle. And again we will have learned that exterior angle, and that exterior angle will be equal to the sum of these two angles. We have learned it in the junior class. That is exterior angle, one side is extend, so that is exterior angle, and that angle is equal to sum of these two opposite angle. Okay, not this angle, not sum of these two angle. Okay, sum of two, it is the adjacent angle of the exterior angle. That's why leaving this angle, sum of these two angles equal to exterior angle. Okay, we have the theory. So now in this case that point is P. In this case APO, that side is extending up to M. So it means that angle POM is an exterior angle, and that POM will be equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. So this angle equal to this angle and this one. So that is angle OAP plus angle OPB. Sorry, OPA. Okay, OPA. That exterior angle equal to sum of these two opposite angles. Now one thing, students, we have already proved these two are equal. OAP and OPA are equal. So angle POM in place of OPA, we can replace that angle, can be replaced by OAP. Why we can replace? Because these two angles are equal, that's why I can replace. Okay, as OAP equal to OPA, that's why in place of OPA that angle is replaced by OAP. So you can write that the angle POM equal to 2 of angle OAP. What it? Angle 2 OAP. Now box it and mark it as 1. Mark it as 1. Okay. Next, same things will be considered as triangle AOQ. In triangle AOQ, OA and OQ are equal, because why OA and OQ are equal? Because they are radius. Okay. Now as they are radius, so triangle AOQ is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means base angles are equal. The angles which are opposite to the equal sides, they must be equal. So you can say, sir, angle OAQ must be equal to angle OQA. Okay, OQA. Now, so these two angles are equal. Because these are the equal side, and these are the angles of equal sides. Okay. Now again, if you consider this triangle, it is the exterior angle of the triangle. Okay, exterior angle. So angle MOQ, MOQ or okay, MOQ will be the, this angle will be the sum of these two angle, sum of these two angle, that is angle OAQ plus angle OQA. Got it? Next things, so when these two angles are equal, OAQ and OQA, OAQ and OQA, these two angles are equal. So in place of MOQ, in place of OAQ equal to OQA, that angle will be replaced, OQA will be replaced by OAQ, that is plus OAQ, OAQ. So these two are same angle, OAQ plus OAQ. So MOQ equal to angle 2 OAQ, that is equation number 2. Okay, that is equation number 2. Next things, just add one. I am doing here because of I cannot rub this portion because this portion are needed. That's why I am proving here that adding 1 and 2, add 1 and 2, left hand side plus left hand side. So angle POM plus angle MOQ equal to 2 of right hand side plus right hand side, 2 of angle OAP plus 2 OAQ, 2 OAQ. Okay, now students consider POM, POM means this angle, and MOQ means that angle. So if we add these two angles, this angle and this angle, if we add that you will get angle POQ, and just take a common the 2 of angle OAP plus angle OAQ. Now angle POQ, just think about that. OAP means this angle, OAP means this angle, and OAQ means this angle. Now add these two angle, then you will get PAQ, 2 of angle PAQ. So what we get, that angle POQ means that angle at that angle subtended by the center, subtended by the arc at center POQ, and what is PAQ? The angle which is subtended by the arc PQ at a point on the circumference, it means that angle, and that angle at the center angle is the double of the circumference angle, that is the required proof. So it is proved. Okay, it is proved. Students, I have not written here what is given and what to prove and what is the construction. Just when you will solve it in your copy, that time must write statement, then what is given and what to be proved and what construction we have done. Okay, must write 3 points, then that is the proof. I hope this you will understand the theorem, and if you have any doubt regarding this proof, you will ask me in the live class in ePortal. Thank you students, bye.